Europe just got shaken and tension is real. Imagine this. 19 Russian drones suddenly flew over Poland, breaking international rules and triggering NATO's first ever fighter jet scramble inside Allied skies. Yes, Poland F-16 and Dutch F-35s have to take off immediately to intercept Moscow's drones. Let me tell you, this wasn't just a small provocation. It is a bold statement from Russia, signaling that they are testing NATO and trying to scare Europe. Now, here is where it gets more dramatic. Donald Trump, the United States President, reacted on social media with just one line. Here we go, short, vague and confusing, and it set off a storm of criticism. Experts and critics, well, they are asking, does this show strength or weakness? In the meantime, Poland's foreign minister didn't hold back either, saying that Putin laughed at Trump's peace effort. In the meantime, NATO leaders warn that Russia is deliberately probing the alliance's eastern borders, checking for gaps in the defense. So, why does this matter so much? This matters because this isn't just about drones. This attack could change how NATO defends its own members. It is a real test of alliance unity, deterrence power, and global credibility. If NATO doesn't respond firmly, it could encourage Moscow to push even further, and Europe could face more aggressive action from Russia. And wait, here's another twist. Poland is now calling for more support from the US. So could Trump take a stronger stand and join Poland more directly against Putin? That's the big question. Analysts say that this could mark a new chapter in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, potentially expanding the war beyond Ukraine's border now. For the entire world who are watching, this is a tense moment. Every single drone, every single fighter jet, every single social media post now counts. One wrong move could escalate into a bigger conflict. Europe, NATO and the US, they all are on the edge trying to figure out the next step. So here is the big question. Will Trump step up and show global leadership, or will Russia keep testing NATO with bold moves like this? One thing is clear here, the skies over Poland, they are now a front line and the world is holding its breath.